Are you an artist with a passion for sharing your talent and creativity with others? Have you ever dreamed of starting your own art studio, a place where you can teach and inspire budding artists while making a living doing what you love? Well, you're in the right place. In this step-by-step guide, we'll show you how to turn your dream into reality and start your very own art studio business in the United States. So, let's dive in and explore the exciting world of art entrepreneurship. Step 1. Write your business plan. The journey of starting your art studio begins with a solid business plan. This crucial document will help you define your target market, plan marketing strategies, project sales and expenses, and outline your value proposition. Research the art industry, your potential competitors, and identify what sets your studio apart. Remember, a well-thought-out business plan increases your chances of success and serves as a guiding light throughout your venture. Step 2. Name the business. Finding the perfect name for your art studio is an artistic endeavor in itself. Your name should be catchy, memorable, and reflect your brand identity. Ensure the name is available for use by checking your state's website and register it promptly. A great name will attract potential customers and give your studio a unique identity in the bustling art market. Step 3. Form a business entity. Choosing the right business entity is vital for the legal organization and protection of your art studio. Consider options like a sole proprietorship or a limited liability company, LLC. While a sole proprietorship is simple and cost-effective, an LLC offers liability protection and is a popular choice for art studios. Weigh the pros and cons before making your decision. Step 4. Select your location. Starting your art studio from home can be an economical option, but ensure you comply with local guidelines for running a home-based business. Alternatively, renting a commercial space can boost visibility and provide dedicated gallery space for showcasing your art. Collaborating with an existing art studio or gallery for shared space can also be a win-win situation. Step 5. Apply for business licenses and permits. Before officially opening your art studio, you'll need to acquire the necessary business licenses and permits. These may include a state or local business license, sales tax permit, employer identification number, EIN, and a certificate of occupancy. Ensuring you have the right paperwork in place will keep your art studio running smoothly and legally. Step 6. Find financing. Turning your art studio dream into reality requires financial support. If you need a loan, having good credit and investing 15 to 25% of the total startup costs will boost your chances. Consider seeking financial support from family and friends or explore small business loans from banks and other lending institutions. Creativity extends beyond your artwork. Explore various funding options. Step 7. Open a business bank account. Separate your business and personal finances by opening a dedicated business bank account. It will help you keep track of income, expenses, and financial trends in your art studio. Many banks offer free business checking accounts, so shop around for a cost-effective option that suits your needs. Step 8. Get your marketing plan in place. To thrive in the competitive art studio industry, you'll need a strong marketing strategy. Allocate a budget for marketing efforts, including setting up booths at local art fairs, leveraging social media marketing, and investing in online advertising. A website can be a powerful tool to showcase your studio and attract potential customers. Let your creativity flow not only on canvas, but also in your marketing endeavors. Step 9. Get business insurance. Protecting your art studio with the right insurance coverage is essential. General liability insurance can shield you from third-party claims, while professional liability insurance guards against errors or negligence. Additionally, workers' compensation insurance will cover expenses if an employee is injured while working. Compare quotes from multiple providers to find the best coverage for your studio. Step 10. Hire employees. As your art studio grows, you may need to hire employees to assist with operations and classes. Select individuals with appropriate experience and training to maintain the quality of your studio. Factor in other employer-related expenses such as workman's comp insurance, unemployment insurance, and paid time off when budgeting for staff. Step 11. Set up an accounting system. Maintaining a robust accounting system is crucial for the long-term success of your art studio. Stay on top of taxes, track income and expenses, and analyze financial trends to maximize profitability. Seek professional advice if needed, and ensure your financial records are accurate and up-to-date. Congratulations! You've reached the end of our step-by-step guide on how to start your own art studio business in the United States. With passion, creativity, and business acumen, you can create a thriving space for artists of all ages to express themselves and explore the world of art. Remember, starting an art studio requires dedication and continuous efforts to attract students and customers. Stay innovative, flexible, and open to new ideas to keep your art studio flourishing. By following these steps and infusing your personal touch, you'll be well on your way to establishing a successful and inspiring art studio that enriches the lives of countless aspiring artists. So, unleash your creativity and let the journey to art entrepreneurship begin. One of the best ways to start an art studio business is by registering an LLC. A limited liability company, LLC, is a business structure in the U.S. that protects its owners from personal responsibility for their debts or liabilities. Taylor Brands is an amazing company that will guide you through creating your LLC. They even have a service where they will file your LLC for you without you going through any hassle. Watch the rest of the video, where I will show you how to form an LLC in under 5 minutes through Taylor Brands. So to start us off, what exactly is Taylor Brands? Taylor Brands is the world's pioneer AI-driven all-in-one solution for businesses that want to form their LLC, but that is not all there is to it. Taylor Brands is really a one-stop shop because it also provides you with literally everything you need to kickstart your business in literal minutes, including a logo maker, website builder, domain registrars, business mailbox, digital business cards, website designers, branded merchandise, registered agent, EIN, operating agreement, and/or even annual report filing. They have literally everything you need to kickstart a business. And what types of businesses does Taylor Brands serve? Well, Taylor Brands will help you quickly form an LLC for your business, whether it deals in physical goods services, hospitality, original content, technology and software, or literally anything else. Whatever business you have, you can get it set up on Taylor Brands. So, what's the process for applying for an LLC with Taylor Brands? Well, you can apply for an LLC in just 3 simple steps, and let me just tell you about them. Step 1. Specify your state. So on the Taylor Brands official website, you'll see a Choose Your State field. Click on the drop-down menu and choose your state. After that, click on Get Started. As simple as that. Step 2. Respond to some simple questions. Next, you will come across a series of questions that you have to respond to. These questions simply help the platform understand what your business is all about, seeing as you respond with things like the name of your business, what things you will offer, whether you will have employees, what stage is your business at, and so on. You'll also have to provide your personal information, for example, your name and email address. And of course, this information will not be shared with anyone else. It's just used for forming your LLC. Step 3. Just simply submit your LLC. Once you've provided all the necessary information, Taylor Brands will then submit your LLC application, and yes, that is it. It literally takes less than 5 minutes of your time and you'll have an LLC submitted. You can check them out with the link in the description below the video and the pinned comment as well and start your entrepreneurial journey. If you have any questions, please drop a comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching, and that's all for today.